Children, come back to geography second chapter. In continuation of the chapter, today we are going to see the topic conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. Paragraph I am reading for you, just see carefully. Forests are our wealth. Plants give shelter to the animals and together they maintain the ecosystem. Changes of climate and human interferences can cause the loss of natural habitats for the plants and animals. Many species have become vulnerable and endangered, and some are on the verge of extinction. Children, here endangered means to put in danger, and some are on the verge of extinction. Extinction means becoming extinct. Extinct here means no longer in existence. Children, due to excessive exploitation of plants and animals by man, many species have become endangered. Many plants have become endangered species because of indiscriminate cutting of trees needed for domestic purposes and many other uses. Clearing of forests for urban development, construction of roads and dams, and for providing more agricultural areas, and cutting of trees by the local people, which is used as firewood. Then deforestation, soil erosion, constructional activities, forest fires, tsunami, and landslides are some of the human and natural factors which accelerate the process of extinction of these resources. One of the major concerns is the poaching, which result in a sharp decline in the number of particular species. Children, poaching here means hunting or killing animals illegally. One of the major concerns is the poaching, which result in a sharp decline in the number of particular species. Children, many animals become endangered species because loss of habitat due to clearing of forest, hunting and poaching by man. Then the animals are poached for collection and illegal trade of hides, skins, nails, teeth, horns, as well as feathers. Some of these animals are tiger, lion, elephant, deer, black buck, crocodile, rhinoceros, snow leopard, ostrich, and peacock. So these can be conserved by increasing awareness. So in the next class we will see what are the steps taken to conserve these animals and plants. Thank you.